Good morning, ma'am. Today I am Saksha Verma, student of class 8th D, is going to present my views on my topic: Are equal relationships are violence free? Why this term arises? Do you ever think? If not, then I am telling. Just wait. The topic is equal relationships are violence free. बराबरी के रिश्ते हिंसा से मुक्त. ये टर्म क्यों arise हो रहा? Why this term arises? See, consider one example. If both men and women are doing jobs, then they can see their family very well and they can solve the problems very well. If the man is going to the is if man is going on the office and the woman is doing household work, then what happens? A woman is considered as uneducated. She will not get equal opportunities. That is why Domestic Violence Act 2005 was happened. It was a scenario where both men and women will be on equal rights footing. In the case men cannot resort domestic violence with subjugated women, means men cannot beat women, men cannot force anything for women. Then what is equal relationship? Equal relationships, why it happens? Equal relationships means each person's interests and desires respected to meet to a reasonable partners need. Dominating relationship in inequality in a relationship refer to an imbalance of power between partners. यानी relationships, equal relationships, every one person interest and desire, सबकी सबके शौक और सबकी चाहत को पूरा करने का सभी को अधिकार है. Everybody has equal rights. My views on this topic are, if every person in India is treated equally, then no violence can happen. And if both men and women are educated, both get equal opportunities, equal education, equal freedom, then our country will become automatically a violence-free country. That is why what we have to do, we have to give equal rights, equal education, equal freedom to all. That is why equal relationship is one of the major reasons why our country is still very down. It is true fact that equal relationships is violence free. If we take example, we are taking a simple example. After the marriage, both husband and wife are job holders. Then both will understand the problems what are going through, the support each other of every point, as well as they are educated to promote violence. But on the other hand, women do household work and men works in a office. In this case, men will never give respect to her work on abuse or anything. Means if both men and women are in the jobs, then they can see their problem, they both can help each other, they got equal opportunities. And if it happens that women is doing household work and man is going to the office or a shop, anything else, but in this case men will be powerful and women will not be powerful. That is why Domestic Violence 2005 act was happened and many other acts was also happened. What we have to do, we have to give equal opportunities, equal freedom, equal everything, equal in everything. Then our country can be violence free. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity to speak on my topic: are equal relationships violence free? Thank you very very much, ma'am. Thank Thanks a lot once again.